How to find term of service on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find term of service on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. In here you can scroll down and click on term of service. Wait for a second, and this is your term of service on your TikTok application. You can click on the download icon, which is on the pink color or the red color, and download this. And this is it. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful.